On the 19th, 20th and 21st of May, Advanced Machinery Services hosted the Midlands Woodworking Machinery Exhibition in Leicester. Visitors had the opportunity to see machinery running live, including Handley systems, as well as rebuilt and refurbished equipment.
It's been absolutely excellent over the last 3 days. Customers waiting for us, which is not great, but we cope very well. So much so, we'd like to do it again very soon.
Top 3 machines for the show was the 6er Compact from Leadermac and the multi-rip saw was very popular. Both models, the 120 and the 150, also panel saw, 32 100 XL panel saw.
Yeah, the show's gone really well for the training department. We've had lots of inquiries asking about the different types of training we offer, along with the certificates, our availability, and so when we can come and do the training with them. And so yes, I'm going to be quite busy over the next few days getting everything sorted for everybody.
I'd like to thank all the customers that came to our show here at AMS. The main question I've been asked for during the show is about service. Where do we service? Well, the answer is we service anywhere in the UK, including Ireland.
Yeah, I've been coming to the AMS show for showing customer the return conveyor, material handling solution, or even the automation around different product line like moulders, sanders, rip line to the UK customer.
So that's the end of the Midlands Woodworking Machinery Show. Thanks to all of those that joined us this week. It's been a great occasion. If you weren't able to come, please give us a call and you can visit our showroom at any other time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.